Hello everyone, I'm Jelica Replagaw of Dreamhouse Realty. Alam mo na ba ang latest? Naka-promo ngayon ang Prime World Enclave. 4,999 na lang ang reservation ng Prime World Enclave. Yes, tama po. Affordable at fully finished na ang bahay at may parking space with free aircon pa kasama. Meet Ilayana Townhouse by Prime World Enclave located in Barangay Kaingin, San Rafael, Bulacan. May parking space para sa car o business. May tiles na ang buong bahay. May 2 bedrooms ka na. Hindi ka babahain. Super affordable dahil as low as 7,716 monthly down payment, magkakabahay ka na. Pwede ka namin i-process sa Paibig o sa bank. Available for RFO units and pre-selling. Malapit sa lahat, malls, palengke, school, public terminal. Modern minimalist ang theme ng bahay kaya sure ako magugustuhan mo ito at ng pamilya. Developer assisted na po ito hanggang may turnover sa'yo kaya wala ka ng hassle pa sa pag-process ng application mo. Do not wait until you invest. Invest now then wait until your dreams becomes your reality. Message me now, andito ako at ang Dreamhouse Realty para tuparin ang pangarap mo house at lot this 2024. Again, I'm Jelica Replagaw, Accredited Sales Supervisor of Dreamhouse Realty PRC license number 01039. You may call on my personal number 096526514113. You can follow me for more housing loan update. Thank you.